Hi, today we are going to see how to monetize your Instagram account. So there are several ways to monetize your Instagram account. I am telling some of these. First of all, work with brands. This likely most people think that the topic of Instagram monetization or influencer marketing comes up. A brand could pay you for iFeed photos or videos, story content, a reel, or any combination of the above. Second of all, you have to join an affiliate marketing program. Instagram made two important changes in 2021 that drastically increase monetization opportunities. First of all, allow everyone to add links to stories. Second, launching Instagram affiliates. Next, you have to use batches in live stream. During live videos, viewer can purchase what Instagram calls batches to support creators. These are available in USD. Once you set the feature, it will automatically available to your live videos. Enable ads on your Instagram account Reels. Until February 2022, Instagram offered in-stream video ads such as monetization method. This allows brands to run ads before, during and after the video post on your Instagram profile. Sort of like TV commercial for Instagram, with creators receiving a portion of the ad revenue. And milestone bonus. As a part of the effort to draw creators to their platform and keep existing one, Meta has announced the bonus program for both Instagram and Facebook content. These are currently by invitation only. Enable Instagram subscription. Another new feature in 2022, Instagram announced the launch of subscription, available on sister platform of Facebook since 2020. Subscription on Instagram enable your follower to pay a monthly price in order to support your work and access exclusive content directly inside Instagram. So that's how to monetize your Instagram. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.